One of the things that we love to do at Roar is take an existing bike and do what we like to call a makeover. This includes a stylish paint job, some lowering and fitting, and of course incorporating a woman's personality into her very own dream bike.
This is our fun part.
There, you want some? Come on, rip it up.
Oh! I'm telling you, oh my God! Oh, I am just, oh! Oh! Oh!
That is something else.
Oh, man.
I cannot believe it. Cannot believe how you did that. Look at, she's sleeping. Oh, you even got detail on her nose.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I knew it would look like this. So yeah, you did exceed my expectations. Look at the detail on the front. It looks like it ran. My God, I visioned it, but I had no idea. You guys did a fabulous job. You cannot buy a bike of this caliber.
The flames came out awesome.
They're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. Oh, look at the grips. Oh, look at the grips.
How's your feet?
Are you kidding?
No problem, right?
Better than baby.
Wow.
Oh my God. Look what she did. I love this. I love this.
We got a happy camper,
So
Joe.
good.
It feels so much better. It feels like I'm in control of the bike rather than the bike being in control of me. I can take the corners better. I can stop and start better. It's just better all around.